Okay, so a lot of a lot of you woodworkers know that there are a lot of use cases for painter's tape, otherwise known as blue tape. Mike Pekovic uses it for his dovetails and other layouts. Will Walker uses it for his bow ties, and there's plenty of videos out there. I think I have something, another use case for it. So I've decided to kind of shave my beard into a mustache and see what it looks like. But I found out blue tape is the perfect use case for this, as it'll let you get the exact facial hair as you want. See, I just take a little bit of blue tape, as much as you need for whatever kind of Fu Manchu or mustache you're growing. Put it into the correct position. I like mine a little wide, maybe. I've never had a mustache, but here we go. So I just put this right where I expect it to be, and I'll go shave and see what it looks like after, and I'll let you know whether or not the blue tape is a great way to man shape your mustache or any kind of facial hair. It could be multi-purpose. You could have a Fu Manchu, like I said, or a handlebars, or even just a little soul patch. So I'm gonna go test it out and see if it works. I'll be right back. All right, here it is, the time for the reveal. Did it work well? Let's see. Yeah, I guess that did work pretty good. Feels weird to have something below my nose like that, though. So, just another use case for blue painter's tape. So many uses. Who would have thought?